Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Mundelein, Illinois, where on August 8th, 2020 at 12:24 a.m., a Mundelein police officer observed a vehicle traveling westbound at a high rate of speed on Town Line Road. The officer then began following the red 2012 Ford Fusion and observed a traffic lane violation as well as a right lane turn without signaling. The officer activated his emergency lights, pulled the vehicle over on State Route 83 within city limits, and approached the driver as his investigation begins.
Hey there.
Hey there, how
How are you? Officer Mundelein Police. Do you have a driver's license, insurance?
There's a driver's license. I gotta find one. Can you tell me what I was looking for?
Speeding, going way too fast.
Speeding?
Yes, sir.
How fast was I going?
You know the speed limit on 60 where I was at Oak Creek?
Uh-huh.
How fast was the speed limit over there?
On which one? Right over here?
Yeah.
45.
Okay, speed limit's 35, got you going 52.
9123.
24, I'll take a second unit.
Actually, can you see my thing here?
Yeah, I see.
I was worrying about getting to the...
Turn the car off, it's fine.
I was worried about getting to the gas station, so sorry. I probably wasn't looking at the speed that much. I was hoping that the gas station would be open over
Okay, you're driving a little bit erratically, okay? What else? Did you see me behind you?
here. Yeah, I saw you back there.
Okay. You were still speeding. Alright, here on 60. And when you went on this turn lane, you went right in the middle between the two lanes, because they both turn right. Going down 60, 83, you went right in the middle. And you need some turn signal, okay? So you're just driving a little bit erratically.
Oh, sorry about that.
Okay.
Yeah, I was on the phone.
I see. Do you have insurance?
I might have to call. Oh, here it is. Wait, let me make sure.
9140, there's no impact,
Yep,
no
this is
weapon,
good.
others 26.
Give me 1 second, sir. Do me a favor, stay in the car for me, okay? Have you gotten speeding tickets before?
Oh, God. No.
No?
If I have, it's a long time.
Where do you live? What's your address? Where are you coming from right now?
I'm coming from a subordinate of mine got promoted, so we were in Glenview.
Glenview?
Just celebrating with him.
Where you celebrating at? Where in Glenview were you celebrating?
At the Yard House in
What's that?
Glen. It's just a restaurant.
A restaurant?
Yeah, we just went out to dinner.
Yeah, nice. Okay, 1 second, sir. Stay in the car for me, please. What's your name, Frank?
Yes, sir.
Can you step out for me, please? I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. I just need to talk to you real quick. You all right?
I'm fine.
Okay, just step over here for me, sir. All right. I don't want you to get by a car, so stand right here for me, please. Hey, listen. So the way you're driving, just a little bit erratically.
Okay.
Okay. The reason why I stopped you for the speeding, and when I was following you, you just running a little bit erratically. You used your turn signal. You're right in the middle of the lanes when you were turning.
Okay. I was on the phone.
Right.
So.
I want to be truthful with you. I smell a very, very strong alcoholic beverage coming from you. Okay. And I also see that you've been drinking.
I haven't drank.
You haven't drank anything at all?
No, I drank, but I haven't
right.
drank in like 2 hours.
I see.
It was
okay.
a while ago.
So you should be fine then, right?
I should be, sure.
You said you were at Glenview? At the
I was at Glenview, yes.
Glenview Park or something like that?
No, at the Glen.
The Glen, I'm
it's
sorry.
It's a place called the Yard House.
The Yard House?
Yes.
So you say you haven't drank in 2 hours. What did you drink 2 hours ago?
I drank some wine.
Some wine?
Yeah.
Nice.
I had a couple glasses, but it's been 2 hours since
Right,
I
no, I
drank
understand that. What kind of wine was it? Like the strong kind or like
It's just Cabernet.
Cabernet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
All right. You mind if I check your eyes? Is that good with you?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I
Go
appreciate
ahead.
that. Okay,
Sure,
do me a
go-
favor. Just remove your glasses for me.
Sure, no problem.
Okay, and you can put this in your pockets. I don't want you to break them or anything. You know what? You can put them right there. Or,
I'll just put 'em in my
perfect.
pockets, fine.
Do me a favor, sir. Put your feet together like this for me. Put your hands on the sides. Just twist a little bit more for me.
What do you mean?
You're looking right at me.
Oh, sure.
Perfect. Okay, so I just want to check your eyes real quick. I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
All right. You haven't fallen on your head today. No head injuries, stuff like that.
No,
No
sir.
concussions.
No.
Good. All right. Can you see this pen? The tip of the pen. Do me a favor. Just follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your neck. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Easy stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna keep going.
Okay,
All right, it's
sure.
gonna be like another minute or two.
Sure, no
Just
problem.
do the same thing. Just keep your neck straight. Don't move your neck. You're moving it just a little bit.
Okay.
Just with your eyes only. Okay, sir?
Yeah,
Do you understand
sure.
that?
No problem, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So we're gonna do this again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good. Okay. You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Perfect. We're gonna keep going.
Sure, go ahead.
9140. 9140. You get the ambulance. Dispatch still in vision. Front jump up.
Okay. And one more thing. We're gonna go up. Okay.
Sure.
One more time.
Mm-hmm.
How you doing? Easy stuff, right?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Do you have any like injuries, like on your knees, on your back, anything that'll prevent you from walking a straight line or standing on one foot?
I don't think so, no.
You don't think so? Okay. So what I want you to do next for me is just turn around for me like this.
Yes, sir.
What I want you to do is take your left foot. I'm sorry. Take your left foot, place it in front of you, and then I want you to take your right foot, put it over your left foot with your heel touching your toe like this. Okay?
Like this?
Yeah, put your hands to your sides for me. For the whole time, I'm going to explain this instructions to you. The whole time, I want you to stay like that and do not move. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So what I want you to do next, when I tell you to begin, you're going to walk a straight line, 9 steps, with your heels touching your front toes on your feet.
Like I am
Every
here?
every single step. Okay? So I'm going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate that for you, okay? So you're going to leave your hands on your sides the whole time. You're going to look down. You're going to walk a straight line, 9 steps, okay? Like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you reach to 9, you're going to take 3 small steps. You're going to turn around. You're going to make a pivot. 3 small steps. You can do the exact same thing when you go back with your hands on your sides.
Okay.
You're going to look down the whole time and keep walking straight, okay?
I'm going to look
And so
down.
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, the whole way.
Okay.
But the duration of the time while you're doing that, I want you to look down on your feet with your hands on your sides and count out loud. Do you understand that, sir?
Count out loud.
Yes, sir. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
You don't have any questions? Okay, you can begin when you like, okay?
Okay, sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you said do 3 pivots?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 more pivots?
Yep, you're good.
Okay.
All right, do me a favor. Can you get the
Yeah.
Thank you. Next thing I want you to do, next thing I want you to do, sir.
Yes.
Put your feet together like this.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Put your hands together like that.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Stand like that. For the next thing I'm gonna explain to you, just stay like that for the whole time. And once I do begin. Okay. So the next thing I want you to do is you're gonna pick either foot. You're gonna lift it up approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're gonna look down on it, and you're gonna count out loud 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000 until I tell you to stop. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it for you. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So you're gonna lift up either foot. You're gonna count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000. You're gonna go on until I tell you to stop, okay, sir? The whole time you can leave your hands to your sides, and you can choose either foot, lifted approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, begin whenever you like, sir.
1 1,000, 2 1,000.
Just do me a favor, lift it up a little bit higher, and make sure your leg is straight like mine.
4 1,000.
There you go, perfect.
5 1,000. 6 1,000. 7 1,000. 8 1,000. 9 1,000. 10 1,000. 11 1,000. 12 1,000. 13 1,000. 14 1,000. 15 1,000. 16 1,000. 17 1,000. 18 1,000. 19 1,000. 20 1,000. 21 1,000. 22 1,000. 23, 1,000. How long am I going to have to do this? 24,
So I
1,000.
tell you to stop.
25, 1,000. 26, 1,000.
You can stop.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Next time I'll offer you to do is just
2124, your status?
So I'm gonna tell you the truth. What's your name, sir?
Frank.
Mr. So I'm gonna tell you from my observations, the way you've been driving, when I've been speaking with you, and some of the things you've been doing for me right here in front of me, I can tell that you've been impaired, that you're on an impairment of alcohol and driving.
Actually,
Okay.
I've walked a very straight line,
Okay.
though, sir.
That's
and
fine.
I've done everything you've asked me.
Okay. So the last thing I'm asking for you to do is just go ahead and blow into this. It'll determine what the BAC level is that you had tonight. Okay.
I told you I had a couple of drinks
Right.
before, but that was 2 hours ago.
Okay.
What does this? Do I have to do this?
You do not have to do this. It's optional. It'll just determine what the level your BAC is. Like I told you from what I've seen, you're under the impairment. Okay. This would just tell me if you're under or
I
over.
don't think I am though, but I know I did drink,
Right.
and I don't know what the level is of this.
It's 0.08.
So I don't
Okay.
know that I want to blow into
Okay,
that.
it's up to you. You want to do it, yes or no? It's up to you.
Well, if I say no, what happens?
Well, I'm gonna arrest you for DUI. Okay. So this will tell me if you're under or over. Okay.
Okay, so if I say no, you automatically arrest me?
Yeah. From what I've seen, yes. Okay.
When under what?
So we're not gonna argue on the side of the
I'm
road.
just asking
It's either
what,
yes or no.
what gives you the reason to arrest me?
Okay.
Because I walked a straight line.
Are you gonna do this or not? Yes or no?
Can you just answer me?
I already told you from what I've seen, from my observations.
But I
already
walked
told
a
you.
straight line and I didn't wobble when I.
Yes or no, sir? It's a very simple question.
I'll blow into it.
Okay, do me a favor. Just take a deep breath. Blow into it for about 5 seconds until you stop. Okay?
Sure.
Go ahead, sir. Keep going. Harder. Blow. Okay, you can stop. Give me 1 second, okay, sir?
Yeah, sure.
I appreciate it.
What is it?
Okay.
Can I put my glasses back on?
You sure can.
Thanks.
Okay. Do me a favor, sir. Can you turn around, put your hands behind your back, please?
Sure.
You're under arrest for DUI.
Can you tell me what it was?
It was definitely over.
101.
Yeah. It was over the legal limit, unfortunately.
0.08 is the legal limit. So you're above it.
Oh. Guess I could wait another hour, huh?
Well, I'm gonna tell you the truth, sir. I think you're going up instead of going down.
Going up?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
Meaning your alcohol concentration is on its way up, not down.
Can I get some light, please?
How's that happen if I haven't drank anything in 2 hours?
Well, we'll talk about that when we get back to the station, okay? Is there anything in the car I should be concerned about? Anything gonna stick me or poke me? Any weapons?
No, sir.
No? You mind if I check? Is that okay with you?
You can go ahead and
21,
check.
21 in custody for 55. Just on Ernie's admin.
Have you been arrested for DUI before?
I have never been arrested for anything.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Well, that's a good thing
I
then.
can't even believe this.
That's a good thing. So what's gonna happen is we'll get you
my
processed.
God.
As long as everything goes well, we can probably get you out of here within a couple hours. Okay,
I
sir?
can't even believe this is happening. I'm sorry, sir. I know. I'm also.
Anything in your pockets that's gonna stick me or poke me?
No, sir.
No?
Okay.
I ask everyone. I ask
I'm a
everyone.
simple guy.
Yeah, I ask
I
everyone.
really am.
I'm not asking you because I think you have weapons or anything, but I have to ask everyone because I have to search you. Okay?
I have to tell you,
Just turn around.
I really have to pee.
You have to pee? We'll let you pee when you get to the station. Okay? Spread your feet for me.
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody you can call when we get to the station?
Yeah, I'll call.
I don't think you'll be staying. We can probably get you out here in a couple hours. Okay?
I gotta work tomorrow.
What
I
time-
didn't even think I drank that much.
What time do you work?
9 in the morning. Is this gonna ruin my life?
I don't know.
Is this gonna ruin my life?
It's not gonna ruin your life.
You never been in trouble before, right?
I've never been arrested.
Okay,
I've never been in
okay.
trouble. This is freaking me out. Calm down.
Move, relax. Keep your feet spread.
Sorry, guys. This is freaking me out.
Don't freak out. We're gonna take care of you. Okay? We're gonna make sure you get home safe. I'll let you make a phone call. Okay?
I'm like a simple dude. I made a law. This is really freaking
Well, unfortunately, you didn't obey the law tonight,
I
sir.
guess I didn't. I thought I waited long enough to leave.
Okay, let's go ahead and put you in the back of my spot.
I can't even believe this.
Okay, watch your head.
I'm sorry. I'm having like a little anxiety.
No,
attack
don't.
here.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand. Trust me, I understand.
Like I said, I've never been arrested for
Right.
anything.
Well, you know what?
I've never had it. I don't even drink ever.
Right.
Oh my God.
We're gonna take care of you, okay? We're gonna make sure you get home safe. All right? We'll let you. Is your wife up right now?
She is. I was just talking to her.
I'll
on
let
the
you-
phone. I drink for the first time in years.
I'll let you call her. I'll let you call her when we get back to the station, okay?
Fine.
All right. Just hang tight.
Yeah.
Following the arrest, the suspect Frank was read the Illinois Warning to Motorists form and consented to providing a breath alcohol sample.
Okay, like I said, I think a deep breath. Blow in here for about 5 seconds as hard as you can, okay? Like you're blowing a balloon, okay? Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go higher, higher, higher. Go. Perfect. Okay, one double C for me, sir. Thank you.
The breath alcohol sample yielded a result of 0.094%. In court, the defendant was charged with driving 15 to 20 miles per hour above limit, improper traffic lane usage, improper turn signal, and 2 counts of driving under the influence, or DUI. On November 5th, 2021, 1 year, 2 months, and 28 days after the arrest, the defendant entered a plea deal which disposed every charge except 1 count of DUI as noa prosequi. This means that the prosecution chose to no longer pursue the case. The remaining count of DUI was amended to reckless driving and disposed as withhold judgment, where on November 4th, 2022, after all the conditions of sentencing were complete, the charge was formally disposed as terminated satisfied. This means that the defendant was never convicted of any charge related to the incident. Along with a $2,500 fine, Frank was ordered to pay a total of $2,905. This amount has been paid in full. He was further sentenced to 0 days in jail, 1 year of supervision, maintain employment, cannot possess illegal drugs, no driving, participate in an administrative sanctions program, no alcohol consumed, no bars or taverns, must be nowhere alcohol is sold, and attend DUI school.